Damn.
Tacos, fish tacos. Yo, Mexico is everything. We've got a Moscato. It's so aesthetically pleasing. It looks cool in this background too. Like, it'd be a cute picture if you could get that all in it. Thank you. Do you have Wi-Fi?
So it's the hotel Wi-Fi. So it's Wi-Fi Ahaw Tulum, and the password is Ahaw Family, one word, all lower cases.
Ahaw Family. Thank you. But so I got a maca vanilla with peanut butter. I don't even like peanut butter, but hemp seeds, raspberry. Look at my strawberry nails. Anyways, strawberry. They could be strawberry too. Watermelon. One broke, but it's so cute. Anyways, smoothie bowl with dates and almond milk. And what did you get?
An acai bowl.
Acai bowl with all this stuff.
All that good stuff.
And then we really got to share this avocado toast, and she got a smoothie. You're gonna be so full. Is it good? She said it's good.
So good.
So good?
So good.
You look so
happy.
Happy in
so
jungle.
Happy right
I'm
now.
so happy right now. Inside joke. But I haven't even bitten anything yet. Okay, ready?
Fire. So good. Are you happy right now?
So happy right now. Oh my god, it's so good! The mic on. There we go. Hello.
Damn. Coffee.
That part. Okay. Did you get him?
I sure did.
His hair is down here.
I know, I saw it.
Oh.
What do you think he uses on his hair?
Huh?
What do you think he uses on his hair?
Probably coconut oil, papaya oil. Is papaya oil a thing?
I don't think so.
Sorry, I'm all wet. Look at this side.
Look at this side. That part.
Look at this side. And then look at this side. Storm. Oh, it's going away from myself.
Storm.
Storm.
Sunshine.
Sunshine. Storm. Sunshine. Hey. What?
Is that even a question? They're so bomb.
You want some? You guys, we're in the grocery store because I needed conditioner. Is this? Oh my god, they have black people stuff. Oh my goodness. This is my conditioner. My fat self. You guys, we're out to eat at this cute little cafe, and look at my straw. Doesn't it look all dirty and stuff? So I was confused. I'm like, why does the straw look dirty and weird? It's not focusing, but it's like brown and dark. Then I looked at the thing, and it says that this straw is made with agave fiber. That's so cool. So it's like 100% natural straw. How cool is that? Tulum is so like eclectic. Ooh,
Hey guys!
so cute. But yeah, Tulum is like so modern, or it's like hip.
Oh my god.
It's like, oh my god, I'm in Tulum. I have agave fiber straws, like,
Yeah.
you know?
Y de 50 entrego 200, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 mil.
Gracias. Guys, how beautiful. Our cabana is right here. Oh, you didn't put a bunch guys, look, you can like paddleboard out here. You see these people all the way out there?
That's another thing.
So cool, right? I just ordered our food, it's coming. I was trying to show you. So to sit out here in one of these cabanas today is only 700 peso, which is about 35 US dollars. And you get, that includes your drinks, everything, your food, and then you get this cabana. You can use the pool up there we were just at, and you can sit here all day, which is crazy. It's a great price, and it's a private beach, so you have your own private space, which is amazing. This water feels so good, and the sand feels amazing on your toes. It's just paradise over here. This is called Papaya. It's called Playa Papaya Project. If you guys are in Tulum and you guys want to come here, I really recommend going to a beach club, because you get your privacy. The only people that are here are the people that are paying for it, versus like a free beach, you know what I'm saying? So you order your drinks and you just like sit here and relax. Our food is coming soon. I'll show you guys what I get when I get my food. Okay. Ooh, my tacos. My tacos. Oh my goodness. Muchas gracias. Ay Dios. Look at my tacos. You guys, look at my tacos. They're shrimp tacos. Look how good they look. Yummy. Did you order some? No? You didn't? You're not hungry? And this is my strawberry smoothie right here. So delicioso. She got some Coke. She got Coke. They done tore up their food because they don't like anything. I'm about to order some shrimp taco, some of whatever this is. Yup, huh?
Some whatever this is.
Yeah, shrimp quesadillas. I already had the shrimp tacos. And y'all know I'm greedy. I'm greedy. I'm greedy. Yes.
Really greedy?
Yes.
I mean, I'm still hungry because I'm gonna tell them, can you take these shells back and just bring me these shrimp?
Maybe like they have to come later.
She doesn't like the shells.